In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward or redirect domains in Cloudflare. First, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the home screen, go to the domains area so you can see the list of sites connected to your account. Choose the domain you want to redirect from. Make sure the domain is active in Cloudflare and the traffic is proxied through Cloudflare. Redirects are applied at the edge, so inactive or unproxied records won't trigger the rule. Once you're inside the domain, open the Rules section. Here, select Page Rules. This is where we'll create a simple, reliable redirect without touching your origin server. Click Create Page Rule to start. You'll see a field to enter the URL pattern you want to match. This is the address you're redirecting from. For a full domain redirect, type your current domain with a wildcard, like https yourolddomain.com or http yourolddomain.com, depending on your setup. The asterisk tells Cloudflare to catch every path after the slash. If you need only a specific path, enter that exact path instead, such as https:/yourolddomain.com blog. Next, you'll pick a setting. Choose forwarding URL. This tells Cloudflare to send visitors somewhere else whenever the pattern matches. You'll be asked for a status code. Select 301, permanent redirect if this move is final and you want search engines to update their indexes over time. Choose 302, temporary redirect if this is short-term or you expect to switch back later. If you're unsure, a 302 is safer for testing. You can change it to 301 once you're confident. Now enter the destination URL. This is where traffic should land. Include the full protocol like HTTPS and the domain you're moving to. To preserve paths, add $1 to the end if you used a wildcard in your source. For example, redirect to https yournewdomain.com so that about or pricing on the old domain maps to the same path on the new domain. If you want everything to go to a single page, just enter that exact URL without $1. Click Save and Deploy Page Rule. After a few seconds, the rule becomes active. If you have multiple page rules, remember they're evaluated top to bottom, so drag this one higher if needed to ensure it runs first. Also note that some plans limit how many page rules you can create. Give it a moment, then test by visiting the old domain or path in a private browsing window. If it doesn't redirect, double-check the pattern, the protocol, and that the domain is proxied in DNS. That's it, you've set up a domain forward in Cloudflare.